I welcome you once again to Kenya Com Mathematics Classroom. This is our question for the day. A straight line joining the point 3, 2 to the point of intersection of the two lines x minus y plus 4 equals 0 and y minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Find its equation, okay? So this particular straight line is joining the point. So 3, 2 is a point on that line. Is joining the point 3, 2 to the point of intersection of the lines. So this is a line, okay? Now, take note that x minus y plus 4 equals 0 is a line, and y minus 2x minus 5 is also another line. So from the question, that straight line whose equation you are now finding is joining the point 3, 2 to the point of intersection. So if you want to find the point of intersection, if you want to find that point, you need to solve these two equations. So let's look at the equations we are given, okay? Let's look at the equations we are given. The first one is x minus 2y, x minus y, okay? The first one is x minus y plus 4. X minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. And the second one is y minus 2x minus 5 is also equal to 0. So these are the two equations that we are given to solve, and we need to solve this simultaneously. Now, the first one can be simplified as x minus y, okay, is equal to the plus 4 on the left-hand side can become minus 4 on the right-hand side. Let this be equation 1. And let's also simplify this. The x term can come first, that is minus 2x. Then the y term can be here plus y. The constant on the left is minus 5, it becomes plus 5 on the right hand side. Let this be equation 2. So when you look at this, we have, in terms of x and y, the coefficient of the y term is 1, 1, but the signs are of opposite signs, okay? The signs are opposite. That means we can add the two equations. You can write equation 1 plus equation 2. So minus 2x plus x will give us minus x, plus y plus minus y, or minus y plus y will give us 0. So y is gone. The minus 4 plus 5 will give us 1. That means that x will be equal to minus 1. That's when you divide both sides by minus 1, you are getting x equals minus 1. If x equals minus 1, then it means that you can substitute x equals minus 1 in any of these equations. So let's say from equation 1, we have x minus y equals minus 4, okay? Now, the value of x now is minus 1. So minus 1 minus y equals minus 4. So if you want to solve for y, what do? You have minus 1 on the left. This can become plus 4 on the left, and the minus y will be y on the right hand side, okay? So that minus 1 plus 4 will give us 3. So 3 is equal to y. It's the same as y equals 3. So the value of x equals minus 1 and the value of y equals 3. So minus 1, 3 is the point of intersection. That's what you have to understand. So the point of intersection, okay, the point of intersection of the two lines is what? The x coordinate is minus 1 and the y coordinate is 3, okay, is 3. So now we have a line joining this point and this. Are you getting that? Because we were told that there's a line joining this and the point of intersection. And to find the point of intersection, you have to solve the two lines you were given simultaneously. That's what we have done. And we have s equals minus 1 and y equals 3. So this is the point of intersection of these two lines. So now we are finding the equation of this particular line. Now we have 2 points on the line. The first one was 3, 2. The second one we are getting here is minus 1, 3. So these are 2 points on the line. And that is the line that we are finding its equation, okay? So you need to find the gradient first. The gradient of that line. Take note that this s1, y1, x2, y2, and gradient m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is what? 3. y1 is what? 2, okay? Then x2 is what? Minus 1 minus x1 is what? 3. So the gradient will be equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 over minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So in all is minus 1 over 4, okay? So we are getting the gradient to be m equals minus 1 over 4. So the gradient together with any of the points can give us the equation. Now let's use the point 3, 2 and the gradient is minus 1 on 4. Okay, so in finding the equation of the line, we have y minus y1 equals m, we have x minus x1, and this 3 is our x1, the 2 is our y1. Okay, and the gradient is minus 1 over 4. So by substitution, we can simplify, we can get the equation of the line. Okay, by substitution, we can get the equation of the line. So y minus y1. Okay, now y minus y1 is what? 2. Okay, so y minus y1, that is y1 is 2, is equal to m. M is now minus 1 over 4. So minus 1 over 4. Then we have x minus x1, and x1 is the x coordinate of the point, that is 3. So we have 3. So we can multiply through by 4 to simplify it. So we multiply all the terms we have on the left by 4. When we multiply the right by 4, the 4 is gone. So we have 1 minus 1 outside, and we have x minus 3 in the bracket. Okay, now when we expand, 4 times y will give us 4y. 4 times minus 2 give us minus 8. Minus 1 times x give us minus x. And minus 1 times minus 3 give us plus 3. So we can simplify all this by bringing every term to the left hand side. We have 4y here. The minus x will be plus x on the left. Already we have minus 8 here. Plus 3 will be minus 3 on the left hand side. Is equal to 0 because we have moved all the terms to the left hand side. So we are going to have 4y plus x minus 8 minus 3 will give us minus 11, and this is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of that particular line. This will be the equation of that particular line. So that's all. Okay, we were given 1 point from the question, that was 3-2, and we were told that that particular line that passes through this point meets the point of intersection of those two lines. That is why we have to solve the two lines simultaneously. The values of x and the y we are getting is another point on that particular line. So with the initial point given and the new point of intersection, that is minus 1, 3. X is minus 1 and y is 3. With these 2 points, we can find the gradient y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the first point, the x coordinate is x1, then the y coordinate is y1. The second point, the x coordinate is s2, and the y coordinate is y2. So gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. When we simplify, we are getting minus 1 over 4. Then the gradient together with any of the points, either these or this, can give us the same equation. But we took the first point, that is 3-2. So 3-2 together with m equals minus 1 over 4. With this relation, y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. By substitution and simplifying, we have 4y plus x minus 11 equals 0. This will be the equation of that particular line. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section. I will look at it and address it in my next tutorial. Subscribe, follow, and share for more. God bless you.